Hey, welcome back. This is Amanda with Dusty Trail RV, and in my last video I went over how to drain your RV sewer system. So I'm going to go over how to treat your tanks, and it's just going to be a very brief overview. There's a ton of different products. So I use an enzyme that is manufactured to break down solids in RV tanks. I also mix it with a water softener, and I also add soap. So my other tanks do get soap. The kitchen sink when I wash my dishes, the shower when I wash my body, laundry when I wash my clothes. The soap has beneficial qualities in the tanks as well. So the toilet doesn't usually get soap in it, so I like to put some in there. So let's start in the bathroom with the black tank. All right, welcome to my bathroom. So the first product we're going to be using is called Happy Campers. I usually use either this product or another product called Digest It. I love them both. I will put links to both in the notes. This is odor free. The other thing that is great about this is it has no formaldehyde in it. It liquefies waste, no odor when dumping, good for septic tanks, cleans and inhibits sludge or crystal buildup. So this stuff is great. This container has 64 treatments in it. It cost me around $50. So this is the first thing I'm going to add. I want to slightly press my pedestal to fill the bowl. And I want the bowl to be pretty full when I'm going to be adding this scoop of Happy Campers in here. So I'll just add the scoop like this. Okay. I'm going to keep filling that up. All right, it's pretty full. So now I'm going to let it sit here for a little bit. And while it sits there, I'm going to add a water softener. And this is Calgon. I've got the Calgon packet open. The pellet looks like that. Goes in the water. That's going to dissolve. I'm going to let this sit and break down for 5 or 10 minutes. It's been about 7 or 8 minutes. Now I'm just going to flush this entire thing. And then what I like to do is I like to fill the toilet bowl back up, just like that. And I like to add about a cup of Dawn dish soap. And this ensures that you get a good base of liquid that's treated and ready for whatever you flush down this toilet. I'm going to do one more. I like to aim for about 3 gallons in the toilet, and then I leave just a little bit of water in the bowl. For the rest of the drains, I use this pitcher, and this is a dedicated treatment pitcher. I don't drink out of this. It is just for what we treat the tanks with. So I like to start by filling a little bit, about a quarter of the way. Then I pour my scoop of Happy Campers in there, put my Calgon pellet in there. So I like to use a small amount of water first so that I can mix it around. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes until it's completely disintegrated, and then I'm going to fill the pitcher up the rest of the way. All right, this is mostly dissolved, so I'm going to fill this up the rest of the way. And the goal is going to be at least a gallon down the drain with this. This pitcher is half a gallon, so then I just dump it down the drain. Don't mind my very clean dishes. This is a lived-in trailer. That's what you're going to get. All right. So I'm just going to let this run for a little bit because remember I want at least a gallon down there. I'm going to let this run for about another 30 seconds. I just showed you how to treat the black tank and the gray tanks. I would repeat that gray tank process with each of the different drains. And some people don't treat every single time they dump their tanks. I do. I don't have as much odor as I did before, and it's called the Geo method. It can be researched. I'll post links to it in the notes, and you can see that there is a large chunk of the RV community that does believe in this method. I've adjusted it just a little bit, but I think it works. So I hope that you find this helpful. I will answer any questions that you send my way. Feel free to go to my blog and check out my articles or send me a message on the Contact Us page. Either way, I'm going to put those links in the notes, and hopefully this did provide you with some information that you'll find useful.